What's going on, everybody? In today's video, you'll get to see a funny transition of my riding going from complete garbage.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
To looking like I actually know what I'm doing. This video is the first in a series from my recent trip to Salty Acres Adventure Park, a 60-acre vacation rental located in Rocky Point, North Carolina. The facility has 3 motocross tracks, flowy trails, an FMX ramp, freshwater ponds, a barn to store all of your toys, and of course, a comfy house to get some rest in after a long day of outdoor fun. If you're looking for a relaxing vacation where you can ride your dirt bike right out your back door, Salty Acres is the place to be. For more information about Salty Acres Adventure Park, click the link in the description below or head over to their website at saltyacres.com. This first video will focus on just one of their motocross tracks, but stay tuned for more content showing off the rest of the facility. Alright, let's get right into it.
This entire facility is sand, and I haven't rode on sand in, I don't know, probably almost a year. We're probably gonna have to figure out how to ride in the sand again. Whoa! Soil's looking really good. Okay? He's jumping. This is my first sight lap. I'm not going to jump stuff on my very first sight lap. Oh my god, I didn't realize how steep of a drop off that was. Yep, I'm going to have to relearn how to ride in the sand. If you don't ride in the sand all the time, it just feels so weird on your front end. You have to like relearn how to trust your front end in the corners, because the sand just makes your front end do whatever the hell it wants. Holy shit! Like, holy moly. That one's a little intimidating. I know it's not that big, but it's just a little intimidating. Dude, I don't even remember how to ride in the sand. Alright, let's see how fast Taylor looks like he's going when he hits this. Pretty nice size double. Okay, that jump's not big. That one's not big either. All the way to flat. Oh my god. This one keeps sketching me out. I don't know why. Oh my god. Holy shit. Greased it the first time I tried it. Alright, pretty fast in second gear. We got it. Woo! Hell yes. Woohoo! Sketch! Why do I keep casing that shit? Oh, that corner's perfect. I keep messing it up. There we go. just so unpredictable, man. I never know what it's gonna do. Woo! All right, we got this. I hit it okay, I just didn't lean enough. That was smooth, my smooth. Smoothest one yet. I gotta figure out how to not get my, front end from tucking in the sand. The answer is probably just more speed, more throttle. I gotta figure this shit out. Cause that corner's perfect. Oh hell yeah. I'm spinning a lot. I almost hit that tree past couple laps. I'm glad they put clay on the jump faces. That keeps the jumps real nice and stable lap after lap. There's not like crazy sand ruts at the jumps. There we go. Kidding me? Almost losing my front. I actually hit some of those corners pretty good. Started trusting the sand. I just got to go faster and use more throttle always. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!